Yo, what up guys, it's Colin here from CH Gadgets. In this video, we're going to be checking out the Soundcore Spirit X wireless Bluetooth headphone. By the way, if this is your first time here and you love tech and gadgets just like I do, and you want to see all the cool new tech that I get to test and play with every week, then start now by clicking the subscribe button and tapping that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos when they drop. So basically, this Spirit X is one of Soundcore's more sportier versions. It's one of the older models. It's not one of the new ones, but it's basically one of the ones that you would get if you're thinking about getting something to use when you're working out, jogging, you know, all things sports related, since it's water resistant. And so basically what we're working with here is Bluetooth 5.0. It's oh, wow. Let me show you that right there. And that's pretty darn good, if you ask me. Okay, so we got a nice little carabiner. Man, I've been wanting to check this one out for a little while now. I'm really feeling this Soundcore carrying pouch. So inside, this is what the setup is like. So basically it's wireless wired. Basically, you know, you put it around your neck, kind of wired. But basically this is what you're working with. There you go. And that's the earbud themselves. Basically, you know, you kind of put it over here so you can get a nice secure fit, and you're off to the races. All right, so let's fit this one, see how it feels and see how it looks. I don't think I ever wore one of these before. Okay, so it doesn't affect when you're wearing your glasses. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. Pretty comfortable. And I guess these are going nowhere once they're in, and you kind of hook it around your ear. It's not going anywhere. And it does feel comfortable, and it offers a little bit of passive isolation, which is also good, because then, you know, you could jam out in your jam session without any interference. All right, so let's power it up. Ooh. You know the bass is pumping, but all you gotta do when it hits is make some screw face. Damn. All right, so I think I kind of have an idea, a really good idea, of what these can do and who they're for. Now, first of all, let me say this. First of all, this little thing right here, I don't like it, but it works. It works really well. Once you kind of hook it around here, you put it in with the fin, and this thing is not going anywhere. It's gonna stay around your neck, and that's good. That's a positive thing. As far as the built-in materials, they feel good. You got that silicone tip, and also you got that silicone fin. It feels really comfortable in your ear. I gotta say that for sure. And this thing, it doesn't bug you too much. As a matter of fact, once you put it on over your ears, you don't, you know, after a while, you just don't even remember that it's there. But I don't know, maybe it's because it looks weird. Maybe that's why I don't like it, but it does work. As far as the sound quality, this thing sounds freaking good. It sounds good. It gives you some really nice sound delivery. Good audio delivery out of these. You get some nice highs and mids. You got some really tight, rich, punchy bass. The kind of bass that when it hits you, all you gotta do is just make some screw face, because it's really good. It's not mind-blowingly good, but it's good. Yeah, and I like it. I like it a lot. So who's this for? This is for the guy or gal who, you know, is doing some serious working out. They're doing some serious serious working out, jogging, you know, doing some aerobics, lifting some weights, you know, whatever it is you're doing in the gym, and you want these to stay put, but not only stay put, you want to get in the zone, because these things can bang. It's giving me some nice, rich, clean audio. Like if you're listening to your music, you got these on, you're listening to your music, you're gonna be in the zone, because you don't have to worry about if your earbuds are falling out, you know, if it's falling off your ear. These things stay put, so it's basically out of the way, and all it's doing is pumping all that energy inside your ear and just motivating you, man, to work out and get your job done. So for that, Soundcore Spirit X, it delivers on that. It says it got sweat guard technology, which is sweat proof technology. I do know that inside, I probably can't show you, but I do know that inside the earphone got that metal grill inside. I guess it's to keep out earwax and sweat. But other than that, the case, the housing itself for the earbuds, it's pretty much rubber and plastic. So that's why it's IPX7 waterproof. So it should be able to can withstand if you're sweating profusely. If you're sweating bullets while you're working out, this should be able to can withstand that. As far as my take goes, these are definitely a buy. The price on the Spirit X, you know, surprisingly is $35, maybe $36. For $35, you can't go wrong getting these, I assure you. For what it's intended for, you know, it could be used for casual listening. It could be used if you just want to chill, if you're on a commute and you want something to, you know, to listen to some music casually while you're on the bus, while you're sitting in the park. So you can use it for that, but it's not intended for that. It's intended for the guy, the girl who's working out, you know, and they want something to jam out with and get in the zone. And these can definitely guarantee you get you in the zone. Plus, you got that nice little case. Put it in the case. Got a nice little carabiner so you could clip it onto your backpack or you know, your gym bag, your duffel bag, whatever it is you want to, you know, clip it onto it and take it wherever. It's a pretty nice, secure case. It keeps your stuff safe and secure. But other than that, I have to say, I am sold on these. This delivers. And it works. Like I said, I never liked these little hooks, but for what it does and what it offers, it works. If you want one for yourself, check the link down in the description, and also let me know down in the comment what you think about these and what you think about headphones that got these little things on it. Do you like them? Don't, you know, are you just like me where I didn't like them? But I can tell you that it works. All right, so it's your boy CH. It works. I'm sold. Thanks for watching. Peace.